today. Woo! It's almost reaching on our roof. It's too wide. Wow. Yay! So many compartments. Oh, it's still in the box. Wow, how massive is this space? Triple metal cooling. Wow, this is massive. It's double door. Wow. So many space for me. And wow, and how deep is this?
It's all tight still.
It's all
So
still
this goes all
tape.
the way to the back.
Wow.
Tight that.
Still in tape. Wow, this is massive for vegetables. So much space. Oh my god. Wow. A massive freezer. Nice cubes.
So you can put anything on there and it slides in there.
And fish. So it's still with the label, guys.
So you can put whatever on top of there, look, and it slides out.
It slides out.
Yeah.
Wow.
So you don't have to worry about hunting things, it just slides out. Same as these massive great boxes, look. They all just see, and they all just come out, lift out, slide them back in. Look.
Wow.
Right.
This is a double door. Wow. And you see, it's easy to clean. That match our cooker. This is
As you can see,
done by Samsung 10-year warranty.
and then when you shut it, it literally, you can't get it open.
Yeah, for the safety for the children. Yeah. Wow.
And then it's
So
got all your,
now it reached on the top of our roof.
yeah.
So this is our old fridge and freezer, guys, that matched our theme in our kitchen. But sad to say goodbye to our old fridge and freezer. We have to let it go and throw it away. So sad because the space is not enough, because soon we're gonna have another baby, so we need more space. But this is massive. Oh my gosh.
energy rating for the Samsung. As you can see, it's a A+ refrigerator.
Triple A.
Yeah, okay, so you've got the fridge at 336 litres, the freezer department at 150 litres, that's 2 of them, okay, and it's only 42 decimals, which is really quiet, so you can't hear it. That's how much electricity it will use per year, which is equivalent to £40. That's what 41's for, so it's £41 per year to run this, 24 hours a day. So what we do is we then put it on here, so it lets everybody know the efficiency rating of the fridge. There we go. Look at that. Okay, so up here, look, we've got the control panel. Okay, we've got the child lock, so the children can't touch it, but it's high anyway. Vacation mode. If you press that, what you do is when you go on a holiday and you want, well, so you take your stuff out your freezer or whatever. If you've got nothing in there, press vacation mode. You don't need to unplug it, and what it'll do is basically turn the fridge, freezer into the vacation, and it will just really stay to the minimumest temperature as possible. Okay, call select. Okay, you press this one, hold it on. Okay, and you can select what you want the bottom to do. It can be a freezer, or it can be very soft freezing, or you can have it just as a chiller, or you can have it just as a cool. So basically you can have it as another fridge as well. But we want it as a freezer. Okay, there's the temperature of the freezer, and there's the temperature of the fridge. Okay, and you've got the moist care up there as well. Look.
So look at my assistant, guys. Here, we did some shopping.
And the tallest in the whole world. Oh, show us what size, Kai? yeah.
Okay, vegetable. Vegetable is this here. Okay, what is this? Oh, pots of joy.
Can I do one? Yeah. Can I do one? Yeah. You can do one.
Okay, mushrooms.
Look, Colin, you need to get down there.
Porky belly, more chicken.
More chicken. I think it's not gonna fit.
Pork might fit in there, darling.
Yeah, just put it there.
Yeah, that might fit in the drawer. Pork loin,
Pork.
chicken, put it on the top. That's it. And then what we've got then is we've got some pork ribs and some British pulled pork.
I think you put this in the bottom.